Hello everyone, good evening, welcome to the platform, welcome to the session, welcome to Gradeup. This is MN Ramesh discussing about analysis of your performance, how to analyze your performance and what are the tools you can measure your performance and how to enhance your performance level in the upcoming exams. This is the topic today. So let me welcome all the students to join, and then we'll talk about the important things in the next upcoming classes, in the upcoming exams. Okay. So the session is today all about to discuss how to score better in your next upcoming exams, and that scoring better in the next coming exams, how it is possible and how it is useful writing the mock test. This is something related to analyze your performance. That is the theme of this today's class. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can keep asking me. You can keep discussing about the preparation, about the tips, techniques, etc. So let me move ahead with the point to discuss about the upcoming exams. Let's see for the engineers. So next month and next to next month, Jan and February are the 2 months very crucial for you, because there are exams like ESE exam stage 1 is on 5th January, and you can see the list of exams here, and ISRO exam is on 12th January, and GATE is in the month of February, 1st, 2nd and 8, 9 are the dates of these exams, right. So if these exams are you are going to write, if you are preparing for ESE exam and if you are going to write the exam on 5th, so we are going to give you some tips how can you enhance your performance levels in the exam. If you are already at 50% of the preparation, how to boost it to maybe 70%, maybe to 80%. So these are the last minute tips which helps you a lot in increasing your performance levels in the examination. Maybe that is for ESE exam, maybe that is for ISRO exam going to be conducted on 12th, maybe that is for GATE exam. I know most of the students are writing GATE. The number of aspirants for GATE exam are more, I know. Good evening all, welcome to the class. Ankush Sharma, Mayank, Ramu, Prajapati, Nandu. Yeah, I am going to talk on these things, guys. How to increase the speed is asked by Nandu and Nandakishore. Good evening, Nandakishore. Mayank's problem is not able to gain speed in mocks. What should I do? Yeah, this is a very good question. So Nandu's problem is also the same thing. Sagar, Ankush, tell us about how we can study that we can forget and cover all subjects effectively. Ankush doubt is how can we study that we can forget or cannot forget. Okay. Uday, good evening Uday. You also have some questions like others are having. Please ask me. I will be responding to your questions. Somebody is asking about how to increase the speed. This is all about the session is going to be. So I am going to tell you that. So before that, may I know how many of you are writing for ESE and ISRO and GATE separately, or are you all preparing for all? So if you are preparing for all the exams, please type it all. If you are preparing for only GATE, just write it GATE. If you are for GATE and ISRO, write, just let me know how your preparation is and what your preparation is. Just I am understanding to give you tips on your preparation part. Samira, welcome Samira Begum, how are you? Samira is preparing for all 3 exams, GATE, ESE and Padmakar also all. Yeah, GATE. Mahesh is for GATE. ISRO and GATE, ISRO and GATE, GATE, ISRO, GATE. Yeah, many students are for GATE and some students are for GATE and ISRO, some students are for ESE and GATE. Whatever the stream is. Ankush is from civil, it's fine. Civil you have the maximum number of vacancies I guess. Sagar, how we get effective while giving mock test? This is the point of discussion today guys. So the importance of mock tests I am going to speak on. Okay. So if these are the exams you lined up, like Samira is giving all the exams, some other students are also here in the YouTube also giving all the exams. Okay. Atul Upadhyay is saying how to improve marks. I am getting between 38 to 40 marks in test series. Please guide me. Sure, Atul, I will tell you. And this is a session exclusively for that. I am going to reveal how you should improve your performance. Okay. Suraj, sir, after ISRO and ESE gate preparation lectures will be started, right? Yeah. Suraj, I will give that information also. Sandy. Hi Sandy, how are you? Okay. If these are the exams you are going to write, and just as a reminder I am going to give you. So you have nearly 14 days I think for ESE exam, okay, and for ISRO 19 days we have left, and this is for ISRO you have just 19 days, and you have around 40 days or 41 days for gate exam. You all know the dates, right? 12th is ISRO exam, 5th Jan is ESE, and first week and second week of February is the gate exam. So how to utilize these dates effectively so that you can score better in these exams. Why I am talking about these exams is almost all the exams, all these 3 exams, the syllabus is almost same. I am not saying exactly same, it is almost same. So if you prepare for ESE, that covers gate syllabus also. If you prepare for gate, that covers ISRO syllabus also, almost plus or minus 10-20% will be there. Okay. So Nagur, Yashwant, how to improve marks in test series? I am going to tell you Nagur, don't worry. Please keep waiting or keep watching the lecture till the end so that I am going to give you the tips. So how to improve your performance in the mock test. You know, the performance in the mock test is almost similar to the final examination performance of your target exam. So what is mega test on Gradeup? I am watching first time this channel. Shivam Garg. So you are not aware about Mega Mock Challenge. Mega Mock Challenge is the All India mock test conducted by Gradeup for ESE and for GATE, where all over India students will be writing this exam to analyze their performance in the mock test, and it is free of cost for everybody. Okay, you can write these exams. Gradeup second mock test for ESE is on 25th I think. So our people will let you know about these exam dates. Fine guys, let me go to the actual point of discussion is how to enhance your performance. How to enhance your performance levels in the final GATE exam or ISRO exam or ESE exam. Only 3 things are there. In my opinion, only these 3 things you have to do just before the 1 month of your examination. For ESE, just half a month. For ISRO, almost half a month, and for GATE nearly 1 month time is there. What you just need to do is, these are the things, just 3 things you just need to do. What these are? Just go for a revision of every topic you are already prepared. Simple and very effective suggestion is, don't go for a new topic. Generally I know the students' mentality or psychology is they want to cover everything. Before going for the revision, first you want to cover all the topics, all the syllabus. It is never going to happen. Entire syllabus, instead of going for the new subjects just before the examinations, better you revise what you studied so far. Effectively you have to perform for the subjects just you have prepared already. Instead of going for a new subject, you don't know whether you will be perfect in that subject or not, you can answer that questions from that topic or not. Instead, better go for revision and revision for the topics you have done. Suppose if you have done 50% of the syllabus only, instead of going for the rest of the 50%, which is not at all possible in just 20 days or 15 days or 1 month, better be efficient in this 50% of the syllabus, so that at least from those topics if you get any questions, you can answer well, right? Instead of going for the revision, if you go for a new topic and if you are not perfect in that topic, neither you can answer better in that new topic nor in the existing topic also. So both way it is not good. So better always go for revision, whatever you have done. If you have done only 70%, Just go for revision of 70% of the syllabus instead of going for the next 30%. If you have done only 30%, just go for 30%. So that gives you better marks than just going for a new topic. That is why I told you this is very, very important. Okay. Shubh Khale, how to crack ISRO exam within 19 days. I cannot tell you Shubh Khale for that. You know, I better say how to improve your performance in the ISRO exam in just 19 days instead of how to crack the exam with top marks. It's not good to speak about how to top in just 19 days. It's almost impossible also. Let's be practical. So how can I do mock test? That's what Abhishek I'm going to tell you. Right? This is first point. Second is, if you want to know how your performance with your revision, I am telling you first is to go for the revision. So to know how your performance, your efficiency level with the topics you have done and with the revision you have done, better instead of going for a direct examination, final examination, better you go for a mock test. Why should we go for directly? People again will think that let us not waste 3 hours of time in writing a mock test. Instead, let us use these 3 hours for preparation. That is a wrong strategy. Guys, trust me, that is going to be a wrong strategy. You spend 3 hours in writing the mock test. Why should I? Why should I? These 3 hours you may be thinking that you can prepare some other topic. But what is the guarantee about the topics you have already done? Are you perfect with that or not? How do you know? You revised it fine, but do you remember or not? Are you giving the correct answers or not? How do you know? By writing a test only. You cannot test yourself in the final test. Before that, you have to have a practice match. Better it is always a practice match before you go for a final match. So that is what the mock test is. Okay. So Gradeup is providing the mock test for those who are in the green card subscription, for those who are writing the mega mock challenges. So please utilize this opportunity where we are giving a best quality of questions. Those who are appearing for this exam must be knowing already. For those newcomers, you can understand. Okay. So you write a mock test instead of just going for a new topic to understand how your revision helped you. Second is, when you are writing the mock test, always remember at what time you are writing it. I suggest if you want to write a mock test, once your revision is done, you are going for a mock test. I suggest you write the mock test as per the time slot given for you for the final exam. Suppose ESE exam you are targeting for, and you are writing a paper 1 prelims paper 1 mock test. Just go for the time when it is conducted actually, the same time you also try to write it. Okay. And similarly, paper 2 exam, if you are writing a mock test, then do it in the afternoon session always. Don't think that it is wastage of 3 hours. So you are going to understand your weaknesses and positive things also during that time. And the time is also very important. If you are habituated of that timing, even the small tips also helps you a lot when you go for the final exam. So similarly, ISRO mock test, if you are practicing, then go for the time. Generally the time slot is given to you, maybe in the admit card it is known to you that at what time your exam is. During that time only you better write it. Okay, that is the next thing. Next, what is very important is how to write the mock test. How to write is also very important. Looks very silly question, how to write a mock test, but there is a meaning in this. How to write a mock test is, you should write the mock test like you write a final exam. Don't think that it is just a practice exam. You keep the books besides you, and whenever you are writing a test, if you didn't remember any formula, for example, I am writing a question. So it is a formula based, I need a formula which I didn't remember. Then because it is a practice test, don't just revise the formula and write the exam. This is not the way. You keep all the books away. You feel that it is like your final exam and it is like your final GATE exam or ISRO exam or ESE exam. In the same way you write it. The same strategy what you are planning. You want to write all the networks questions first or strength of material questions first. In the same way you try to write the mock test also. How to write means that. How to write means feel like it is your final exam. That gives you exact analysis of what you are. These are the things you have to do rigorously for the rest 20 days or 30 days or 40 days left. Somebody ask me that, sir, how can I improve the speed? This is how you can do it. First mock test, maybe you are getting 30 questions only able to write in 3 hours. So you understand then how can I, where did I waste my time and how can I improve it? Then go for the second mock test in the same way and improve yourself. In the second mock test, go for 40 questions. That is what very important is. Okay. So I think this is sufficient for you. Pranjul Singh is asking, will Gradeup provide General Studies Paper 1 course for ESE 2021? Sure, we are going for it. If you are looking for a long-term coaching for ESE, we are going for it in the month of Jan. So you can follow Gradeup for the announcement when the course is beginning. Ganesh, is there virtual calculator available in the mock test? Yes, Ganesh, it is there. When you are writing this mock test in your system, if you are writing, there is a virtual calculator provided by the Gradeup, same like your final exam it is. Okay. How to analyze mock test, I am going to tell you. So Shashank is asking, how many tests for PSU, IES and GATE subject wise, mixed and full length? So those details our team will respond to you. There are subject wise exams, there are part syllabus exams, there are full mock tests also. 7 mock tests are available on the Gradeup platform. Archit, sir, any test series for SSC JE and RRB JE, please reply. Archit, we are going to give you that test series. SSC JE is also being added in the green card package. So if you can subscribe, that is also available for us. So Abhishek, yes, how to avoid negative marking. You know, while writing the mock test, you should be aware that there is a negative marking or not. Based on that only you will be writing the test. Once exam is over, mock test is over, it is equally important to analyze this paper. People will think that. Fine, see the steps what I am doing. Very important. Go for revision only. No, don't go for a new topic unless you are perfect with all the topics you have done already. Second is keep writing the mock test to understand your performance level. But while writing the mock test, keep in mind these two things: at what time you are writing and how you are writing. Are you feeling like it is a final exam or not? These are the two important points. Once it is done, yes, I wrote the mock test, done. Then what to do? Then this is the thing to be done. Everybody thinks that, okay, I wrote the mock test and I get the result, I got 40 marks out of 100, or I got 70 marks out of 100, or I got 30 marks out of 100. People will forget about this after this. No, this is the most important thing what you need to do. Some students are asking, sir, I am getting only 40 marks, so what should I do, how to improve? That's what you need to analyze. You just need to check yourself. If you are getting only 40 marks, why your 40 marks are there? Why not 60 marks? What went wrong? Is this 40 marks because of negative marking? You attempted 60 marks, but because of negative marking added, you are landing with 40 marks. If that is the case, you should think on how to avoid this negative marking. What made you to attempt this negative marking? Is it conceptual mistake, or is it calculation mistake, or is it a simple mistake? Is it a silly mistake? You just need to analyze yourself so that this type of mistakes you will not make in the next exam. That is the purpose of writing the mock test, right? Why should we write the mock test? This is the purpose, to understand what it is. And similarly, if you are landing at 30 marks, then you should understand what went wrong. And also, if you are getting 70 marks, don't be happy that I got 70 marks. So are you going to get this 70 mark consistently for the next exam also? If yes, maybe you are good. And in that also, how many are the negative marks you got? How many are the positive marks you got? That is also very important. And this 70 marks, how much time you have spent? Time is also very important. How much time you spent for this marks to get? This is also very important. These are the things very, very important. That is what analysis is. I know that most of the students will think that एग्ज़ाम दे दिया, हो गया, मेरा performance हो गया मेरा. I understood my performance. But it's not just that. It is just to identify more detailed analysis. You will be writing the exam for 3 hours, yes, more 2 hours you have to spend on analyzing what your exam performance is. This is also equally important, at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour you have to spend on the paper you have attempted, so that you will understand what's your mistake is. Clear? So this is very, very important. Most of the students are not doing this. Here I'll add one more point. What Gradeup is doing you in giving this analysis. Recently also we have done mega mock challenge. Most of you are aware, mega mock challenge we have done. And in the next coming up days also the mega mock challenge is there. We are going for it, right? So I suggest everybody to write this mega mock challenge. But after mega mock challenge, we are going for analysis. We are going for analysis of this mega mock challenge also. How many of you are aware? Can you please respond to me? How many of you are aware that we are conducting a mega mock challenge of stream-wise for GATE and ESE, and we are also going for analysis of the mega mock we conducted on the same day or the next day we are doing it? Do you know what we are analyzing? Can you please respond to me? How many of you know that it is being conducted by Gradeup? Okay. Okay, Anvesh, I'll get back this to the technical team. KPTCL, you all are 1 mark questions, so there are 2 mark questions. We'll get back to you on how this is. Very good, Abhilash is knowing about this. Srinath is looking for it, very good. Outside exam I am able to perform better, but during exam I am not able to score well. How to change? Nandu, that is the problem. Keep writing not only one exam, that's what I told you, this second point. Feel like it is a final exam. Then after writing 5 or 6 mock tests like this, like you are writing the final GATE exam at the same time, then it will be easy for you for final exam also to feel like a normal exam. Okay, most of you are aware that this. Do you know what we are doing in the analysis? We are picking up those questions. We are not giving you all the questions, solutions and the answers. The purpose of analyzing MMC is not to just give you the answers and solutions. We are picking up the questions, the set of questions or some questions out of all the questions. We are selecting only a few questions, maybe 20, 30 or 40 questions, where those questions are attempted by maximum number of students. So we are picking up some questions where those questions are answered by maximum students wrong. Those questions answered wrong by maximum number of students. So we are giving why they are answered wrong by the students. What twist is there in that questions? If you attend our analysis, you will be knowing what is wrong in that. If you don't attend, then you will be missing that. You are going to do the same mistake in the next exam. So I suggest all of you to attend this analysis to understand what is commonly made wrong by the students. What the questions are generally or commonly made by the students are commonly finding the difficulty. The questions whose generally students are finding difficulty are picked up and given the analysis why they are difficult or why they are made wrong, what twist it is it really difficult or not, how to solve, and we are giving the tricks also how to get the answer faster. That is why I am suggesting everybody to attend this MMC analysis also. Not only just MMC analysis, for every exam you have to do this. Because for every mock test we cannot do that, at least for MMC, which is free of cost for everybody. So I am going to give you those questions. Imagine there are 10 questions where every student is almost making mistake in those questions, imagine. And if you only the person identified that these are the questions you can improve and next time you are not making the mistake. What if these questions will appear in the final GATE or ISRO or ESE exam? All other students will make the same mistake again there also. But if you understand your mistake here after the mock exam, then you are not going to make that same mistake, then you are the ranker there. Those who understand their mistakes, they will understand the mistake and you will be the ranker in that. That is why this analysis is more important. Got it, guys? So only simple 3 things you just need to do. One is revise, second is write the mock test. I will just here put it in a circle, okay? Just you have to revise, and after revision you have to write the mock test. After mock test you have to just analyze what your mistake is or what your correct is. Improve yourself here and write another mock test. Improve yourself, revise again on the topics which you are weak in, and again improve yourself and write the mock test, again analyze, make your mistakes. You keep doing this until you have 0 mistakes in the paper. This is how you have to do it. Okay? What is the difference between, what is the difference in difficult level of exams in mock test and mains? Padmakar, I didn't get this question clearly. I am getting good score in marks but getting bad results in the main exam. It's not like that, Padmakar. If you are consistently getting the good marks in the mock test, obviously you will be getting good marks in the final exam also. But maybe for you, that ambience effect, that exam fear will be affecting you, I guess. That's why I suggest you go to a new place. Let's say, for example, if you want to write a mock test, don't write this mock test in your regular place you are studying. You go to your friend's place or go to your college and feel that it is your final exam, and in that ambience you write. Then you will get good results. When will be the mega mark challenge available for GATE CE? Ganesh, our team will respond to you about that. Sir, I am getting 150 to 155 in technical paper 2 ESE in test series, and this make me demotivated. What should I do? Abhijit, first of all, 150 to 155 is a good score, I can suggest, but you have to improve. So just identify where your mistakes are, and if you want, our team can help you a lot. Our faculty can also help you a lot. You keep asking these doubts, what's your weakness areas are, then our team will follow up and will improve your performance. Pranjul Singh, 150, 155 in technical paper is a nice score, I think. Yes, Pranjul, that's what I am telling. But safe side, better if you can improve 10, 15 marks more also. In technical paper 2, it is possible. Okay. Nandu sir, for GATE, how many mock challenges? For GATE, I guess 2 mock challenges are there, 2 or 3 mock challenges are there, which are already announced, particular dates also. Maybe knowing our team, our backend team will respond to that, sure for. Srinath, sir, does Gradeup have solutions for every previous year's questions for ISRO? I think yes. So you can download your papers for previous questions and solutions in the Gradeup app. You download the app and you can go for. Arun Kumar, sir, only half of syllabus is covered. Either I go for subject-wise tests or full syllabus mock tests. This Arun, at this point of time, I suggest you go for parallelly subject-wise as well as part syllabus tests, because you have completed only some subject syllabus. So better you go for subject-wise, those subjects you have completed, and part syllabus, and then go for mock tests. Okay. Any more questions you have, guys? And in short, I am telling you the summary of today's session is just these things. Okay, first is go for the revision, second is go for mock test, analyze, don't forget to analyze the paper and try to follow MMC analysis sessions so that you will be finding where maximum students are making the mistakes. If you can come out of that, you are the ranker. Okay. So, and then revise again, then again write the mock test. This is keep on doing for next 20 days, 25 days, 30 days or 40 days of the exam you are looking for. Okay, guys. What should be the frequency of mock test? That depends on how many days you have for this exam. If you have 30 days, I suggest every 3 days should be a mock test for you, or at least every week should be a mock test for you. Or weekly 2 mock tests is a good strategy if you have 30 days time. So as per that you can calculate. Sangik Brahma Reddy, please do analysis of single question like we can, oh I missed it. What should be the frequency done? How much, oh I am missing some questions. Please keep posting your questions again. Bharat, need not to ask these many times. You can just, once you put also, I try to get your question. You are asking something about civil, right? Anybody? Any more questions? Ravi Kiran, sir, I attempted 14 marks in different test series, an average 55 marks in EC paper. Ravi Kiran, too many marks is also not good. You know, trust only one or two platforms for a good quality of marks instead of going for so many mock tests, and you will be in confusion later that which mock test should I rely. So better go for trusted authorized mock tests and check for consistency. Nandu, sir, how to stay confident in these 30 days? So that depends on your personal interest, you know. So just relax just before the exam, don't get demotivated, don't get deviated. So go for some meditation if you are okay, or go for a walk, or spend time with your parents, spend time with your friends, those who are preparing for that exam. Don't spend your time with other friends who are just enjoying. Okay, better I suggest spend your time with your parents, okay, then you will get the confidence and motivation to go for exam. Daily mock tests are available. Daily mock tests are available. It all depends on how frequently you want to write. Sir, please provide ISRO electronic classes daily. We are providing almost 4 days a week. We are providing the ISRO classes. When do we have next mega mock challenge for ISRO? Josna, ISRO mega mock challenge date I am exactly not aware, or you can go through our Gradeup app, it will be there, or our backend team will respond to you. Shubham Gupta, sir, can Gradeup provide a short 1 hour video for micro important topics for ISRO? Shubham, we are going for a series, free series for all the aspirants appearing for ISRO exam for those subjects which are not there in the GATE syllabus. We are giving it a free session, free series, you can follow that. Nandu, please provide ISRO mock challenge for civil also. Okay, ISRO mock, I doubt it is there or not. So let me check. Sir, give me 5 most important subjects in ESE General Studies. ESE General Studies, exactly speaking, what is 5 subjects for importance? Better not to speak, because you know all 10 subjects are having weightage of around 10 to 15 marks. So better you have to give equal weightage for paper 1. If you talk about paper 2, I can say something. So Isha Gupta, yes, we are doing that. Exam level difference between mock and main. Padmakar, I don't know about other mock tests, but Gradeup is giving lot of efforts to match the exam difficulty level for the target exam in the mock exams. What the mock exams we give are almost matching with the final exam we are looking for. Like for example ESE, that similar type of questions, similar difficulty we are planning here also. For GATE also we are matching that. There is such type of question which is not in syllabus, how to prepare them? For that, you know, you have to make your own short notes. So while going for revision, so what are all the topics which are not covered in your revision part, or which you feel the topics which are corner topics, you better note down a separate note and just keep revising it. That helps you, I think. Bharat, sir, safe score for civil. For which exam, Bharat? I am not aware which exam you are talking for. What would be the cutoff for IIT's GATE ME 2020? That depends on which IIT you are targeting, Srinath. If you are targeting for top, the old 7 IITs and ISE, then it will be different for any IIT. If it is okay, you can go for even 2000 rank also, you will get a seat in IITs. Srinath, sir, what about, what would be the, I did it, sir, general paper 1, okay. Non-tech ESE, Padmakar Bharat, safe score for civil non-tech ESE. Non-technical ESE, safe score, I think it is around 80 marks, 75 to 85 is a good score and safe score for ESE, I think. Bharat, fine? Okay guys, thank you very much. Keep asking our doubts, keep asking us the doubts. The best possible we will give from our side. If you want more sessions like this, last minute tips or whatever the extra information you want, you can please put it in the comment box in the sessions after the session. So we try to come up with those sessions also which are useful for you guys. Okay. Amrin is asking to launch a course for Coal India Limited. Amrin will think about it. We'll get back to you soon about that. Sure, for. Thank you all. Thanks for attending the session. All the very best for your exams. Keep rocking.